Hi there, my name is Mishari, and as you can see by the title of this video, I want to introduce you to my YouTube channel, why I created it, and what I will be doing on it. I first thought of making this YouTube channel after my dad had talked to me about doing something with the skills I already had. I thought of things that I liked or things that I had a passion for. Technology and gaming came up as my top 2 hobbies or passions. This was during the summer, before school started, so I just forgot about it a few days later, but it struck me when I started the school year and I had to pick a topic for my personal project. After doing lots of thinking and research, I found that the best way to share my passion for technology or gaming was the internet. I looked at the options I had. I had to keep in mind that this is a school project though, so I decided to pick YouTube since it's a very accessible platform and it can be accessed by anyone. And then my idea came together. My idea was to create a YouTube channel in which I can help people with technology, one of my favorite topics. It seems like the perfect idea, and I consider myself as someone with lots of knowledge on the topic, and because of that I want to share that passion with my school's community. I want for people to know how to help themselves when it comes to technology instead of having to go to the IT's office. They can come here to get their help, wherever they are, and whenever they want. They don't need to ask any others for it. This makes my approach to this unique. YouTube has not been used in my school very often, and I think integrating it into the students' lives would make their lives much easier. Now on to what I'll be uploading and talking about on this channel. As I said before, I want to make videos for people to learn about technology more. This means that I'll be making videos that explore certain issues that people may run into on their devices, and videos that teach people about new or existing features that they may not know about, and videos about events and news on technology that they may want to know about. This does not mean I will restrict my channel to that though, because I have other technology related hobbies such as gaming. Depending on my project's timeline, I may livestream or make videos about anything I like, which may consist of gaming videos, which will add a bit of a touch of my personality, making it less of an informational channel, since I want people to be able to find entertainment here as well, which will make this project a little bit more fun for me as well. This is all I've got to say about my channel so far, and I hope you seriously look into subscribing and looking out for more videos that I will be uploading soon. I will be uploading a lot in the coming future, and I think you should actually watch out for them because you may actually learn stuff that you may find useful in your life or for the future. Other than that, thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video. See ya!